Prepaid cards work similarly to credit or debit cards in terms of making purchases. However, a prepaid card on the other hand has a balance that serves as a spending cap. This card can only be used till its balance is exhausted. As long as you have balance on your prepaid card, you can use it to make purchases. But why a prepaid card? Safe to use. Unlike a debit card which is linked to your main accounts, a prepaid card only has the money that you choose to load onto it. So, if you lose your card or it gets stolen, they will not have access to your main accounts. Cashbacks and savings. Prepaid cards like Fab Money have many amazing offers and rewards plans which you can claim and use throughout your spending journey. On top of this, there is a guaranteed 1% cashback on all purchases. By using prepaid cards, you can avail many offers and rewards like these and save your money. Limit your spending. You can prevent yourself from going over your card's available balance by using a prepaid card. You require an alternative to a bank account. Prepaid cards are a good choice if you don't have a savings account but would like the ease of utilizing a card rather than cash. You don't wish to lower your credit ratings. Prepaid cards are an advantageous short-term credit card substitute because they don't require a credit check to be purchased. So make your spending easier and earn amazing cashbacks and offers by using the Fab Money prepaid card today.